What is the issue that is taken place about conversion of land by the CS? So what do you have to do?
You see, I had already made a statement yesterday saying that there was a construction which was put up in 2016 which was given a house number in 2019 by Aldana Panchayat, which was then headed by Sarpanch Francis D'Souza. So the house was given a number in 2019, not during my tenure, but before I became an MLA and during the tenure of Glenn Tiglaw. So there is no role which I have with that house, nor its conversion. Secondly, the documents show, as was shown by Amit Patkar yesterday, that 18th May 2024, that is this year May, the Chief Secretary purchased the land. So I can't say that he had a hand or a role in construction or giving a house number to that house in 2016 or 2019. So that is the first part of it. Now the Congress has protested and I am there with them, and therefore we are going right now to Raj Bhavan also, and we will be meeting the governor.
So what is your stand on the? Will you be demanding or something?
See, I have asked for certain information under RTI from the Panchayat. Until we get the record correct, it's not proper to fire any shot just to fool people, just to tell the press I'm gaile, malle. It's not the way of doing it. We have to study what it is, what are the implications, who is responsible, and then accordingly if any action is to be taken, then it has to be taken. Otherwise it cannot be that all and sundry, you just pick up, anybody shouts and then somebody goes and files some case and all that. No. And remember one more thing, I'm not some knight errant, whole Goa I will run to keep filing cases. It's because it's my constituency, I'm concerned about it, therefore I have come forward, and we will definitely ensure that if anything is, see, there is something known as irregularity, something known as illegality. So if there's irregularity, it can be cured. If there's illegality, it can't be cured. So we have to examine which it is, and then accordingly what action. So that's why I said to you, I can't answer that question right now, but it is very premature.
He is the Chief Secretary. So you think there is a political support for it?
I have not been able to assess that as of now. Naturally, being the Chief Secretary, it is but natural the government should be backing the Chief Secretary whom they have of their choice, unless there is something which has gone wrong and someone wants to get rid of him. So, but otherwise I don't know. But that internal politics is not, I'm not privy to that. Mak khabar na the Chief Secretary kados hota to dols hota tao kaine na. Or that's politics politics se ma aoi na.